Mounting your RoadSpy Supermount is easiest when you're sitting in the right-hand seat. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver during installation. Remove the Supermount from its packaging. Then remove and set aside the thumb screw and the thumb screw tightener. Remove the screws, holding the two halves together, and set them aside for the final step. Each half is marked L for left and R for right. Let's pick up the left side now. Adjust the rear view mirror all the way to the right. Place the Supermount's left side onto the rear view mirror's base. Then adjust the rear view mirror all the way to the left. Place the right side onto the mirror's base. Then reinstall the installation screws you removed earlier. Don't forget to readjust your mirror before driving again. Your RoadSpy Supermount is now installed.